we want to shortly explain how the multiplicative group of integers modulo p is defined. We will discuss the following definition only for the case where p is a prime number. Then we note the multiplicative group of integers modulo p as seen. In particular, it is a cyclic group. So, what does this mean? The elements of this group are the residue classes from 1 up to p-1. If you are unsure about residue classes, have a look at the glossary. For instance, for p equal to 5, it looks the following way. A group is defined as a set of elements together with an operation which combines two elements from this set to form a third element within this set. This operation has to satisfy the so-called group axioms. In our context, the operation is multiplication, as the name already implies. Moreover, this group is a cyclic group, which means the group is generated by a single element, called the generator. Again, in our context, we call this generator a primitive root, which here means that every element of our group can be written as a power of the primitive root. Let's consider this for our example. We claim that 2 is a primitive root of the multiplicative group of integers modulo 5. This means, we have to check whether we can write the representatives of the residue classes, namely 1 2 3 4, as different powers of 2 modulo 5. By trial and error, this can be easily done.